Hello everyone, today we are going to learn on how you can see all the websites you have visited on Instagram, since Instagram has developed the method to be keep updates for it, so any user is able to see all the links you have ever visited. It's simple, so simply start by opening Instagram, and after getting this results, go on the menu profile. Then after getting this results simply go on this three dots in the top right corner, then go on activity status. And now, as you can see, all the links you have ever visited are here, so you will no longer lose a chance to keep up with the website you have visited. So thanks for watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe.